This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have what matters, an app and microphone permission. Open the app or trigger the built-in listener now, then point your device toward the sound source. Keep the phone close and steady. Moving away reduces detection. Once the app shows activity, wait for it to capture a clear sample, usually a few seconds. If ambient noise is high, move closer or pause other sounds. Make sure background listening is allowed so the app can identify songs even with the screen locked. Now focus on quality. Reduce echo and move nearer to the speaker to give the recognition algorithm a clean sample. Tap the Identify button or let Auto Listen run. Longer samples improve accuracy for remixes or live versions. If results are ambiguous, use the Record or Sample feature to save audio, then replay while isolating noise. Once you get matches, compare artist, album, and timestamp to confirm it's the right version. Make sure to save favorites or add to a playlist for quick access. Finish by confirming the match. Check artist, title, and album to avoid similar titles or covers. Save the result to favorites or send it to your streaming service so you can return later. If the app fails to identify the track, retry after reducing noise and recording a longer clip. If that still fails, update the app, restart the phone, or try a different recognition service. One reliable tip: record a short sample and upload to a forum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.